Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In California, there are no requirements, other than being 18 years of age to purchase needles, for purchasing tattoo supplies and equipment. There is a permit required for tattooing and body piercing, issued by the County Health Department, with additional licensing to operate a business from the city you reside in. 25 November 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most modern tattoo parlors and artists use a tattoo machine, or gun, to inject the colored inks rapidly into the skin. A conscientious and qualified tattoo artist will work to keep the needle to a consistent depth of about 1/16 of an inch, or no deeper than the third layer of skin.
Let's help you make your mark.
Best tattoo machines. Dragonhawk Mast Pen. Check price. FK Irons Spectra Direct 2. Check price. So Long Tattoo Complete Starter Kit 1 Pro Machine Guns. Check price. Stigma Complete Rotary Tattoo Kit. Check price. Wormhole Complete Tattoo Kit. Check price. Pirate Face Grinder Tattoo Kit. Check price. Rehab Ink Complete Tattoo Kit. Dragonhawk Essence Kit.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The 12 Best Tattoo Machine and Starter Kits for Beginners 2021. Coil Machines. Hildebrandt Tattoo Kit Pro. Dragonhawk Complete Tattoo Kit. Grinder Tattoo Kit by Pirate Face Tattoo. Rotary Machines. Dragonhawk Rotary Tattoo Pen Machine Kit. Stigma Rotary Tattoo Machine Kit. Stigma Complete Tattoo Kit Pro. Stick and Poke. Dragonhawk Hand Poke and Stick Tattoo Kit. The 5th of January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Licensure. States regulate tattooing in one of two primary ways. It is illegal for a licensed tattoo artist to perform tattoos in unlicensed locations, such as his or her home. It is also illegal for a licensed tattoo establishment to allow someone who is not licensed to give tattoos at that location.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.